Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. We're going to make a quick video for you on how to assemble and install the pedestal that comes with the QN90D series Samsung Neo QLED TV. What we're going to start off with here is the neck piece, the base plate, and then you're also going to need a Phillips head screwdriver for this one. So first step you're going to want to take is to turn this over, and on the bottom you're going to have a piece of tape here that's holding in a couple of packets of screws. So we'll take those off and set them to the side, and then we're going to carefully kind of put this neck piece down, put your thumb on this little top portion here, and then you're going to take your index finger and sort of pry this piece off. Just be very careful because it is easy to get your thumb or your finger pinched in the plastic part up here at the top. So take your time doing this just to make sure you're staying safe. But you pop that piece off, and then we can get going assembling everything. Okay, so now we're gonna take the neck piece, and this is gonna have a little cutout on the bottom, and then the base plate is gonna have this little part that's protruding up, and we're just gonna put that piece through that hole on the bottom here and slide it forward. And once you do that, 4 of these screw holes should line up, and then we're gonna open 1 pack of these M4 by L14 screws. It doesn't matter which one because they're both the same. And we're gonna start putting those screws in there. Now we're going to take the part that we just assembled, and you're going to see these 2 tabs at the top here, and then you're going to see these 2 cutouts on the back of the television. Those 2 tabs are going to kind of angle down into there, and then you're just going to lower this into place, and that should hold this in place here with those 2 tabs snugly in there. And then we're going to take our other 4 bolts, I said screws before, these are bolts, and we're just going to tighten those down in the back to secure everything down into place. Now that this is securely in place, we're going to take that cable management cover that we removed before, and we're just going to pop that back on. You'll hear it and feel it snap into place. And from there we can pick the TV back up and set it down on its newly assembled pedestal. And that's really all there is to it. It's a very straightforward process. Thanks, as always, for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.